Hey besties, how y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? I'm feeling good. I pray all is well in your world. In today's video, we are painting my small hallway and the stairs, and we're moving my office from upstairs to downstairs. I'll explain that later. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on the video. Thank you for joining. On my channel, I do everything homemaking, lifestyle, motherhood. If this sounds like something interesting to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. To all my returning besties, thank you. Love you. You all are rock stars to me. And you know what it is. And you know what we do. Let's get it. Don't talk about me because I used a hanger for a paint stirrer. I didn't have a paint stirrer, so I had to use what I had.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No. Yeah. Hear me out.
Alright y'all, so there's something special about this video, and it's because there's a giveaway. Yay! But to find out the details of the giveaway, you have to watch all the way to the end of the video, unless you want to cheat and skip, but don't fight the system. Just watch the video all the way through, and then at the end get the rules for the giveaway and enter the giveaway.
Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me.
So the plan was not to paint the stairs and the ceiling and all of that good stuff, but I had to because the white that I was using didn't match the rest of the walls. The walls were pink in the eggshell, so I had to paint it all. So needless to say, I spent all day, and then at the end of it I was covered in white paint. I had so much fun. It was a blast. It really was.
I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive me? Forgive me. If you decide to leave, you would help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know.
Now I had to move the office back downstairs because I could not have all of the stuff that was hooked up in my office running off of the same circuit that the air conditioner runs off of, because I only have 2 outlets in my bedroom. It's amazing that you can put 2 outlets in one room and think that it's just going to work. It's just amazing to me. This house is something new every day. Anyway, so that's what I ended up having to do, just move my office. And Jada with her shenanigans when I'm not around. It's amazing. They're just a boatload of fun. Love them. Gotta love them.
Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling.
How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? You still hanging? You still here? You still with me? If you are still here and you have made it this far, drop me a pen emoji down in the comments.
I get so dizzy thinking of you. I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Like this. No, get like this. for you and me. She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get next.
Alright, so while I'm on the island of misfit socks and I'm taking care of this, I'm gonna let y'all know about the giveaway. The giveaway is from Super Clean. If you all have been with me for a minute, you know that a couple of videos back, I did a video for Super Clean and their products. Well, they have asked me to offer one of my subscribers a couple of products. Now at the end you'll see it's the aerosol and the original formula, and you just have to live in the lower 48. You have to have an address. It can't be a P.O. box or none of that extra stuff. It can't be any of that. You have to have an address. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to comment Super Clean. That's how you enter the giveaway. And I will draw the name on Sunday. You have to be following me on Instagram so that you can know who the winner is. And once we get there, we'll work the rest of the details out after that. So, good luck!
I got feelings about you. Oh yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
But we're at the end of the video. So after this, you're just going to see all of the after shots and all of the glorious, beautiful painting that I did. And remember that you need to wait till the end of the video so that you can get all the information for the giveaway. If you missed it earlier, it'll be at the end. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for coming. Thank you for rocking with your girl. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like. For all my returning besties, you know I love y'all to the moon and back, and I thank you and I appreciate you. And on that note, I will catch y'all in the next one.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. keep that past